parents and my dear students. As you know that Aditya is a synonym for placement. Last year, more than 40 companies visited our campus and our students are doing very well in those firms. Highest package was 12.4 lakh. The companies that visited our campus included Extramarks, HDFC, ICICI, Wipro, Infosys, Concentrix, Vivo, and many more. The list is very long and the students are doing very well there. This year also for our management students, lot of drives are going to come. Right now it is ICICI that is scheduled. We want our students to get placed in such a prestigious brand because it is one of the top 4 banks in India which has shown its presence in more than 17 countries and has more than 5,000 branches in our country. The post that is offered by ICICI Bank is assistant manager, and you will be wondered to know that last year more than 32 students were placed from Aditya as assistant manager in ICICI Bank. So why not this year let us multiply the number? The procedure of recruitment includes registration and after that there is a psychometric assessment. The psychometric assessment includes personality, behavior and aptitude assessment of the student. It means that the student's ability for the post or for the job is evaluated. After that there is group discussion. In group discussion, many students will be gathering and their team building leadership capability is evaluated. For the purpose of which our college is conducting rigorous training session for students. In the morning, we are having 1 hour psychometric assessment, after which there is group discussion that is conducted by various faculty members. Psychometric assessment is done online. However, group discussion at present is going on physically. So, many faculties of subject marketing as well as communication skill are conducting these group discussions on various current topics that includes Farm Amendment Bill or related to the Swachh Bharat, otherwise it is artificial intelligence or abstract topics like are women better managers than men. It helps the student to become more confident and be a group leader. After which we are every day conducting interviews that are face to face. In the physical group discussion sessions, which are 4 in number every day, after that the feedback is shared with the students. Even after interviews, their evaluation is given by the faculties to the concerned students so that they can improve for the further sessions. Before the final interview, there will be virtual training sessions for the student because this time ICICI is conducting virtual interviews for the student. I expect and I wish that all the parents are sending their wards to the college for attending such important training session as well as to attend the classes which are going regularly. This year and the college timings, the institutional presence is very important for the student because it will help them to carve their niche in the society. Every opportunity is golden because it will not come the second time. So I request the parents that they must send the wards to the college so that they can attend these sessions regularly and become better, become more confident, become more smart every day so that they are ready for the challenges that are coming from different firms. Thank you.